don't have to do that.
Well, sometimes the shipping
Eventually you do.
kind of suffers.
90% is awesome.
Yeah, I could have
It's
maybe.
great. No, it's awesome. How much do I owe you for that cable? It's also amazing to me that you remember where that bottle of... Because you like...
I go through a lot of that stuff.
And the streaky parts, like he lives in the Fairmount Bikes, and there's like
Yeah, the cable's not really.
occasionally I park around the corner, and the people, like there's someone on the street who
That's a nice liner, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a tubeless rim strip. When you have a tubeless rim, you're not, even if you're not running tubeless, you're supposed to use a tubeless rim strip because a non-tubeless rim strip is too fat and it's too hard to get it on and off.
Ah.
Then you would never get it on and off.
Why does this look way too big? Just looks that way? Okay.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
No, I don't mind you doing it.
Okay.
Because you'll do it much faster.
Well, I don't put the tube on the rim first.
Oh, you don't? You put it in the
I
tire?
put it in the tire.
Oh, well then let me watch how you do it. Because then I'll learn. Put it through the new tire.
Well, you know, there's different ways to do it.
Well, that's why I like watching somebody else
Not
do it.
everybody does the same.
What's the word? Did you get it off?
Oh, yeah.
He did.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I was going to say if I had known it was going to come off that easy, I would have insisted on replacing your housing. Me too. I guess that's the advantage of getting started late at night. The customers want to go to bed so they don't ask me to fix their bike for too long.
I should get you a pair of those gloves.
Yeah, they're great. They're about $3,
Yeah.
maybe $4.
Just get them at the hardware store, right?
I actually don't know a hardware store that sells them.
Oh,
I have to
online.
like buy them online because I really don't know where it sells them.
What are they called?
Atlas 370.
Okay. Atlas 370.
Yeah, I wear a medium. You might wear a large.
Yeah.
You got some big paws there.
Medium. Not huge bar.
So this pump is opposite that I'm used to.
Oh,
So you start this way,
yeah. I think that's right.
and then you push it this way.
Maybe not.
Well, that's what you just did, and it
I
worked.
know.
Yeah.
Okay. No, you got it pushed up.
I don't know. Does this pump really work?
I filled my tires this morning with it.
It's all floppy.